Good morning again, guys. This is again Michael, and today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And by the way, this is me on the screen. That's me talking to you right now. And I am a motorcycle enthusiast as well. I also have other YouTube channel that contains anything under the sun, but mostly travels and motorcycle rides. So if you want to check that out, you could visit the youtube.com/Mike TV. So anyway, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have two different photo editors, starting with Adobe Photoshop and in Pixio Photo Clip 7. Today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to use InPixio Photo Clip 7 in making your custom YouTube thumbnail. So, for us to be able to use this in Pixio, we need an image, right? And I strongly suggest that if you are going to use, or if you're going to make a thumbnail, make sure that it's related to your videos. Grab an image from the video itself. I think that's the easiest way to do it, and that's the most appropriate, you know, image that you can put in as a thumbnail. So anyway, I just edited the video today for my other channel. Um, let's go ahead and open it up and make this as an example. I'm from the Philippines, and this footage was taken here in the Philippines. This is actually a travel vlog, travel motorcycle vlog. Bali tatlong bundok yan. Now, you expect to... Oops, I think this is a good image for my thumbnail because this has something to do with the three mountains. The story of this video has something to do with three mountains, a dam, and a river. So I think this is quite appropriate. I'll go ahead and grab that. I don't usually use the Windows screenshot feature, but what I have here is the screenshot capture. That's the name. Let me go ahead and open it up real quick. And I'll go ahead and get a screenshot. Oops. I'll go ahead and get a screenshot out of this video. That's it. Save it and save it to the desktop so we can easily find it. And now, since we have the image, let's go ahead and open this image with InPixio Photo Editor. There you go. Adobe Photoshop is also quite easy to use, but maybe I'll go ahead and set that up on a different time or separate video. So if you guys, or you might be having some issues understanding my English. Pardon me because I am not, a natural English speaker. Because I'm a Filipino, and I usually speak in Tagalog. Anyway, we have here the photo. Let's go ahead and enhance the photo. It's all up to you if you want to enhance it, but basically what I'm going to do is to put a little bit of color on it, enhance the saturation of the picture. So I'll go ahead and click on this one and then add saturation, just a little bit. Put There you go. I think this is a good color, and add some contrast on the video, or I'm sorry, on the photo. That's it. So we can easily recognize the mountain. And then next is put a text. So since the background is white, a little bit gray, something in white, it's quite hard for the viewer to see a white color text. So we'll go ahead and change that. Maybe yellow or red. Let's go for red instead. That's quite easier to read, right? And So let's just put our text here as adventure to Wawa Dam. All right. So after typing in your description here on the thumbnail, we can actually make it bold or italic, or put an underline on this on this text. Let's go ahead and click on bold instead to make it a little bit bigger. And the font style is Tahoma. That's my favorite. Tahoma. There you go. And then if you want to change the size, you can just go ahead and slide it to the right. Or maybe we could set it up to center. There you go. Adventure to Wawa Dam. I think that's okay. That's quite good. Now, this picture says everything, pretty much. I'm standing on the river right now, which obviously you cannot see, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and use this photo instead. But on the background, you can actually see the mountain with fog, sea of clouds. And I think I'm good to go with this. Let's go ahead and save it. Save to the desktop. There you go, we're good to go. That's it for today's tutorial. I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have yourself a good one.